You gonna say hi, Grandma? Say hi, Nana. Where are you going? Tell Granddad hi. Can you do it? Say hi, Granddad. Hi. You say hi? Where are you pushing off to? Look at the chunkalunks. Yes, you are, chunkalunks. Look at those fat legs. You got rolls. Say bye-bye. Say see you later. Say love you. Say love you. They're going to be able to hear a Karate Kid in the background. Okay, give kisses. Say kisses. Say see you later. Can you say bye-bye? You're going to show them how you sit up? Nope. Okay, we're going to say bye-bye for real. It looks like you're getting ready fast. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you soon.